How to Recover Deleted Chats on Gemini 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted chats on Gemini and what you can actually restore in 2026. Let's get started. First, open Google Gemini on your phone or browser and log into your Google account. Important truth first. Gemini does not have a built-in Restore Deleted Chats button, so if a chat is deleted from the app, you cannot directly recover it inside Gemini. But there are a few methods you can try. Method 1. Check Gemini activity if enabled. Go to your Google account settings. Open My Activity. Search for Gemini activity. Sometimes your past prompts and responses may still be saved there. Method 2. Check Google account data. Open Google Takeout. Select your account data. Look for Gemini or AI activity data. Download the file and check if your chats are stored. Method 3. Check browser history for desktop users. If you used Gemini in a browser, open your history. Search keywords from your chat. Sometimes, pages with AI responses can still be found there. Important limitation. If you manually deleted the chat inside Gemini, it is usually permanently removed. Google does this for privacy and security reasons. Bonus tip. To avoid losing important chats, always copy important responses, save them in Google Docs or Notes. And that's it. Now you know the truth about recovering deleted Gemini chats in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.